Question 4. The mean, median, mode of the numbers in the boxes below are the same. What is the missing number? So the first thing I'm going to do is order them. I know the missing number must be here because the median is 7. We've got a number that's less than 7, and therefore we need to have a number that is greater than 7. 7 is the most, so we're not going to get we're not going to get any more numbers. We can see that already. It could mean that this is 7, but then the mean is also 7. So when we add all of these up together and divide by 5, we will get the number 7. So I'd say there are 2 ways of doing this. You might be able to see by eye that the difference between here and here is 2. And therefore, if we add 2, this gets us to 9. Can't always do this with a mean question. So the alternative would be to say, well, actually the mean, and therefore that is okay, so that's the equation for the mean. And there we can multiply both sides by 5. We add these together. So this gets us the same answer, which is E.